In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use email templates in Dynamics 365. Whether you're working in the Sales Hub or customer service, mastering email templates can greatly boost your efficiency and ensure consistency across your communications. Now, let's dive in and learn the step-by-step process. First, open your Dynamics 365 app. Once there, look for the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This icon gives you access to the app's settings, allowing you to tailor the system to your specific needs. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. Next, find and select Advanced Settings. This will take you to a detailed configuration area where you can perform a variety of essential tasks, including creating those valuable email templates. On the left-hand side of the Advanced Settings page, locate and click Templates, and then choose Email Templates. This is where you can manage your existing templates or create new ones. To start crafting a new email template, click the plus new button. This opens a template creation form, which acts as the foundation for your new template. A window will appear asking you to fill in key details. Carefully enter the template name and subject. These fields make it easy to identify and reuse your template later. You'll also need to select a category and set the permission level to define who else in your organization can access the template. Don't forget to choose the correct language for your template as well. Now that the basic structure is ready, move on to the content creation section. In the editor area, write the message of your email. This is your chance to craft a clear and compelling communication that fits your target audience. To make your email feel more personal, use dynamic fields. Click on Insert/Update to add placeholders such as first name, case ID, or company. Dynamics 365 will automatically fill these fields with real data from each record when the email is sent, saving time and keeping your emails personalized. Once your content looks good, click Save and Close. Your new email template is now ready to use. To use your template, open a record such as a contact, case, or opportunity. Go to the timeline section, click the plus button, and choose Email to open the email editor. Inside the editor, find Insert Template in the top menu. Clicking it will display a list of available templates. Select the one you just created, Dynamics. 365 will automatically populate the fields with relevant data from the current record. And that's it. You're now ready to send perfectly tailored professional emails with just a few clicks. By mastering these steps, you'll unlock the full potential of Dynamics 365 email templates, ensuring consistency, professionalism, and efficiency across all your customer communications.